here. So let's go. So this is also one of the Christmas markets that we have here, and we have a lot of games and rides, and I really want to go. So let's go check out what are in there. Let's go. Movie right on the screen, as you can see. I don't know what movie is it, but it's just a movie just for Christmas. They have This place was wonderful. This is a Christmas market, city center Al Mayasim. Do not miss to visit this awesome, magnificent place. And also do enjoy watching my old channel, that is the Uncle Popstar, and enjoy watching my old videos. Bye-bye and Merry Christmas! And this is the top Christmas market. Merry Christmas!